We've got a great program for you. And of course, it all ends with our fantastic traditional ketchak dance, which I'll explain later. But right now, enjoy the beach, gather around, and the ceremony is about to begin.
Okay, so here we are at Padang Padang Beach, home of the RipCurl Cup Padang Padang, and you're going to see an amazing local celebration called the Ketchak Dance. As this is our opening ceremony of the event, this is a time where we're all praying for the best waves. We have a whole month for waiting, and we're hoping that we get one day of epic conditions where this wave gets at least like twice overhead.